Why 20 and when you finish running so?
Well, basically them so finish. Just give them about 2 to 3 days and then finish completely. And then we're gonna clean up around here.
Man, you look good. Proud of you, girl. Proud of you.
Thanks. Come I could go inside.
Hi.
Marine,
Yeah?
you didn't know say Sean like music?
No.
Him like music and he can write too.
You tell you all that?
And more help get him in one program but develop writing skills and them something there. And there's a studio in a place so we can advise him through. The place where we are gonna put him, he might get them privilege there.
Why? We have him, but it's like we never know him.
No worry, and nobody beat up yourself. You do what you can do.
Right, William. We just thank you for making me get close, you know, so we can talk. Take a weight off of me.
I just want to know so we did it for you. And the time we must spend, just want him to go occupied with something positive.
I'm so glad to have a sister like you. Because if I never you, I would have served life.
Well, my boss, him always try to reform the youth them more than for them get locked up. That's why I'm glad me I do that job here.
How my daughter? You're a secret agent. Sonia, you ever shoot nobody yet? You have gun?
We did shoot somebody one time, but we don't want to talk about it.
So you have gun?
Yes, Maureen. I remember what I tell you.
Yes, please. So, Karim ever see your gun yet?
Maureen, Karim never see my gun yet, because him don't know what I do.
So Tonya, Karim don't know see a police? I mean, undercover agent. You know?
No, because I never meet him at the time. And the rule is, when you meet somebody after you become an agent, you can't.
So how that gonna work, eh? So you feeling yourself and tell him lie?
I don't feel good. But I talk to my boss, I'm gonna ask him if he can allow me to tell him.
Well, I hope him allow you to tell him because you cannot build a relationship on a lie. Me to tell you that.
Yeah, because I start feel really guilty now, so I want to tell him.
Yeah, man, Tony, you have to come clean. So, how would you decide to turn police? I mean, secret agent.
Because of the abusive relationship with me did, you know, and the boy used to put him on for me. And then my meet Bubbles and she start training me and I beat up back the boy. So I say, yeah, I want to turn a police. So that encouraged me.
So, you give him a proper beating? Make sure you know, I say, anyhow, me did the boat. That the boy do. Oh.
And that's why I'm going to law enforcement. Because I don't want nobody getting in trouble for me. Me want to do it myself.
Well, you just be careful, you hear me? Careful out there. And you need to tell Karim. Because I really, really respect what you're doing, you know? Yeah, man. And if you want it work, you have to come clean.
Well, now that you have said this to me, I think I'm going to do the right thing. I gotta do it.
Mom's there here?
Yes!
Hello. Babe, this is the thing I raise again, you know. Every day they raise it. 4 bills now.
How much you buy it?
Now I wholesale.
Babe, you try to go down my water place. Don't get some more cheaper. You save $100, 3 bills for it.
Yeah, babe, you're right.
I like him, you know? Like him. You look like him have a little mad streak.
Yeah, him kind of cheap sometimes, but I don't love about him.
Yeah, man. I want to match. The toner can have the same fiery. You know, you have fire. And I'm like, what? I'm here, no? Yeah, man. You can't go on. You can't work out.
Some moments all is well. I realize that you come surprise me.
Yeah, man. Curry, you know, sir. I have to come check my daughter. Make sure she's alright.
So I'm to your son.
Yes, Curry, my son too.
Okay. Alright.
What ya? Who can have mother-in-law but?
Oh, you jealous?
Oh, come on, children. Don't fight over me. Don't fight over me. I can share.
So moms, oh you never come and the cook out? The thing shell, you know?
Yeah, man, Tony, and tell me. Don't worry yourself, man. I support. I buy a food for myself. And about 10 people saying come now, gang. So I say the food bad.
Me love that. Hey, a super big chef up thing, you know? And I'm my supervisor that, so him going real good. It was a success.
Yeah, man, Tony, and talk to me and tell me everything. Hey, I'm proud of you, you know. Young people that work together, love it. Let me tell you. We have a surprise for them.
Surprise?
Mm-hmm.
So you never tell me?
Because I want the tone in the same moment when I thought the surprise.
Surprise? Me love surprise, you know? So mom, hour.
The tone work really, really hard. So, I paid for 2 days, 2 nights at a place called Calder Tours in Yorkton. I guess it was nice place, pool, food, everything paid for already. All you have to do, I carry the pack up on yourself and go.
Pay for already? And you said food did it?
Yes, Tonian. And the food here comes straight from the farm to the table.
That sound good. And you say pool there, right?
Yes, Karim. Pool there too.
So when we can go?
Anytime you're ready.
Baby, you want to go today?
What you mean? You can pack a local bag.
Yeah, man. I'm going to get jam myself.
Thank you.
I don't want to.
what is
Thank you, mommy. Thank you. Best mother in the world.
I know.
Yeah.